America.
Ma'am, what state are we in?
Forest City, Arkansas.
Oh, we're still in Arkansas, okay. We're on a road trip.
Paying attention.
Hot Springs.
We're going to
Yeah.
Hot Springs is pretty awesome.
Video. It is. It's great.
Subway.
That's cool.
Biggest subway ever.
Yeah, this is the biggest subway I've ever seen. Except for the one in Walmart. It's like the same.
So you won't run away. Don't put me on a leash like a little retarded kid. You should be on one.
It's okay. Now I have to go to the bathroom. Here, you hold the camera while I go to the bathroom.
I'm a no.
It's videoing.
White American on that one. The meatball?
I'll stay. No, I need to go. Okay, I'll take this.
But there's only one bag.
It's hard to sit down here and video stupid stuff. Wait, I wonder if I can do that thing.
Oh, it's a Sharpie.
Ladies. Yeah. I'm gonna try. Yeah. You're kicked out. Pull your pants up. Niggas don't dance, they just pull up their pants and they rock away. Now lean back. Lean back. Lean back. Lean back. I said it goes. No, let's do the move. Sit, no, go. Brittany. Did you flush?
Yes.
I'm still holding.
No.
Oh.
Well, I'm still running from your mom.
It's like, No, I'm going in there.
No,
Yeah, the store at Rock. I mean the toilet.
Goodbye. No, y'all wait on me.
I'll wait on you because I gotta go to.
Oh.
Oh. There's like a whole bar. Whole bar, literally. Oh.
I'm getting cold.
It is cold in here. Hey! Ho! It's the Romeo show. I don't think they say ho in that, though.
Hey, ho.
Hey.
Watch it flow. It's time for the Romeo show.
There's something in my shoe.
In my show. Probably.
Poo. Doo-doo. I'm just kidding. That's the last one I'm gonna go. I can see myself in there. Boy. Oh, I guess there will be no.
Don't worry.
If I could set you started, Man!
Are you still videotaping?
I was ready. Are you still videotaping? Yeah. But I'm done now.
What?
Dude, she has a sunburnt butt. Sunburnt butt. Sunburnt butt.
What?
Oh my god, that is so bad. That's like this. Tomato. Say goodbye to the camera. It's going off for now. Bye. Wait,
Hi,
let me do a
Mom.
hair flip.
Hi, Mom.
Here, let me do one. Bye. For real. Later.